Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to create this text animation reveal in Canva. Open Canva and go to mobile video and choose a blank canvas. Go to photos and in the search bar type New York. If you are using vertical video, tap on these three dots and go to vertical. You can choose any image, but for the sake of this video we are going to go to the 15th row and bring our image onto our canvas. Duplicate your image and set your original image as a background. And remove the background for the second image. After you've removed your background, you can now resize your image so that it aligns with the first image. Now go to text and change your font to Anton font. For the sake of this tutorial, we are going to type New York. And we are going to add spacing between the letters. Before we can animate, you can just lower your text. We can now start animating our text. In the toolbar, go to animate and then scroll all the way to the create animation tool. This is the animation that we are going to use. Drag your text in a straight upward direction. And change the movement style of your text so that your animation can be smooth. You can also increase or reduce the speed of your animation. For our final trick, highlight your text, tap on the three dots, and then send your text to the back. Alternatively, you can go to layers in the toolbar and then drag the text layer underneath the second layer. And this is our final project. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Until we meet in the next video, peace.